Take a ride in the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.